What kind of bold sign that them have up? Hey, and when Adams are bad and Adams all a drive past, you say, and see that a quick, what you mean by that? Bullet crossfire. Boy, what you mean by that for your van? Bullet crossfire, Adams, American, you can't. Adams said, boy, go up on the Ross van, you think me care which country you're in, boy? What do you know about Adams? What do you know about Adams? Ask the man. You know what you damn duff got chalk. Oh my god. This a channel are nice. Yeah, me man. If I have 1 cup of chicken foot soup before I have my curry goat, something so I forgot right now. My head hurt me charge it. In a place you can't even find 1 cup soupy on the road. No soup in no out here. What the fuck kind of place this? Jamaica, if you go, you hear sweet peanut cat, soupy can, man. Miss Alice them with the crab. Hey! YouTube, what one? I'm boring up my life. Just do one something for me and make sure you slap up your like and subscribe. Join yeah, man, I'm out there. But I don't know if it's right now, made that me. Soon up on the next video. Very, 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 very soon. And in order for you to see it, you have to subscribe, brother. Big up yourself and big up that chat today. Anyway, she there. Yeah. My SJ. Forward chat, you go through now. Yeah, I talk on the phone and study my name, not pay attention, bro.